Hello beautiful people of Second Lunch, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
We're super excited to take you with us today as we attempt to follow a makeup tutorial that quite a few guys have been sending us on a joint Insta account.
I'm pretty nervous. I tend to always mess up when I do my makeup. So what about you, Viv?
I'm actually very new to makeup, so let's see how this goes.
Well, we can struggle together, I guess. Okay y'all, let's check out this video. Let's see. Oh my gosh, the girls in this video look so pretty. I wonder what they're gonna do with this makeup look.
Hey beauties, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, Gabby and I are going to show you an easy 2-hour everyday makeup routine for a low maintenance gal like you.
Think a natural, no makeup, Kim Kardashian, Kylie Jenner beat.
Okay, let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is apply a nice thick layer of foundation to cover up all your ugly imperfections. If you skip this step, people might think you're sick.
Beauty marks? That's just fake news. Pimples, they won't even be a part of your daily life anymore. However, if you still have a pimple that is so big that not even concealer can cover it, pop it. Because how did you let yourself get so disgusting?
Now it's time for the bronzer and contour. So we want to slim our faces all the way down. Because remember, anything less than skinny, everyone's going to be disgusted with you. And we don't want that for you. Remember, you want to look like you're suffocating. You want to look like you cannot breathe from carrying the burden of the patriarchy on your shoulders.
Oh my god.
Don't be afraid to apply some to your nose and lids too.
Now it's blush time. Apply it to the apples of your cheeks while smiling. Blush makes you look kind and happy to disguise the sadness inside. And remember, don't go overboard because we do not want to distract the boys.
So everything is properly blended out, and now it is time for the eyeliner. We want our eyes to look feline and cat-like. Remember, a nice wing will help make you look like you're awake, which will compensate for the many hours of sleep that you lost to create this look on your face. Remember, we want to look beautiful, but not too beautiful as to distract the men around us.
Now it's time for mascara. Remember, the longer the lashes, the more you look like a goddess. So do not skip this step. But remember, do not make it clumpy, because then people will actually know you're wearing mascara, and that's not the tea. But what you do want to do is make sure that you use waterproof mascara in case you cry. You do not want others to see the pain you feel from the weight of being so beautiful.
So now I'm going to show you how to get the all-natural Kylie Jenner lip that all the girls are raving about on Instagram. So first thing you want to do is just slightly overline your lips. Not too noticeable though, because you don't want to look like a duck. And then you are going to apply your lipstick. But again, you don't want your lipstick to be too noticeable, because then the boys are going to notice and you don't want to distract them.
Now it's time for setting spray. The alcohol smell. This stuff is like cement, you guys. Your makeup will not go anywhere, and no one will know your secret.
And that concludes our tutorial. This is how you get a quick, easy, natural makeup routine.
Don't you feel so beautiful now? And remember, beauty is pain.